Welcome to the Coastal Craft Fill channel. So today we are repotting this two blueberries that I got on sale from Sam's Club. One is a Jersey blueberry and the other one is a Patriot blueberry. So one is kind of brown in the stem, so I'm not sure if it's alive, but the other one is still green, so that one is good. So as you can see now, I'm removing them from the plastic. They're wrapped in like a craft paper, and these are Bareroot, so they're like in a mulch or like a wood chip kind of substrate or like soil. So as you can see, this one is, I think, the Patriot blueberry. So there's the root system. As you can see, they're pretty moist, so they're not dried up. So I'm gonna soak them according to the instructions for 2 hours in water. And this is the brown one. This is the Jersey one. The branches are brown, but I did try to trim the branches and there is a little green on the inside, so I hope this survives. So as you can see, it's the same. It's a little bit moist, so we're gonna soak this as well. Soaked my blueberries for 2 hours and I'm prepping the pots here. This is their temporary pot and this is the permanent pot, which is bigger. So for the first year I'm going to be potting them in a smaller pot. So what we're going to do is we're going to line the pots with this rocks for better drainage. Line them up. Rocks, I'm going to put them in here to line them up. Okay, so we got our two blueberry pots here. Now I'm going to start to open up. So I got an organic compost and a topsoil for potting. I still need to get a berry fertilizer and a soil acidifier. So I couldn't get a hold of that here in town, so I would have to order it online. But let's start potting the blueberries. So there, I've made a hole on my two soils. I'm just gonna mix them up and fill this up. I'll show them to you when I'm done. So I've filled up this pot and this other pot. Now we're ready to plant the blueberry. So I've made a hole. I dug a hole here. And let's get our first root. This is my smaller one. This is the Patriot blueberry. As you can see, it doesn't have a very long root system, so we're just gonna plant it like this and cover it up. I've planted the Patriot berry. Now it's time to do the Jersey berry over here. So as you can see, this one has a big root system, so I dug a deeper hole and put it here. Okay, so there's our Jersey blueberry, and I'm going to water it a little bit, and they're all set.